everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to do a look with the Opposites Attract palette from e.l.f. Susan e.l.f. So if you recall, my black shade shattered. I've not replaced this. I did have to clean up my palette some, just a little bit. But this palette is it's another one of my recommendations for if you wanted to buy somebody a palette for Christmas. This is another beautiful, affordable palette. So we're going to do a look today with it because I have to go out and run some errands, which means I get ready with you guys before I go. This is going to be a no foundation day. I've just put some face cream on and I'm going to kind of let my skin breathe a little bit because I've been wearing a lot of foundation. So yeah, so this palette has 18 shades in it. There is another palette out. It's like the second version of this palette. With the sales that e.l.f. runs on their website, you could probably get both palettes for about 20 bucks. And it would be a wonderful little gift for someone. It's probably the best palette that I've seen e.l.f. do. Personally, for me. You'll have to excuse my shades. They have a little bit of black mixed in them. But the more I use it, that goes away. Oh. I think I need some eye primer because we haven't put anything else on our face, so other than lotion, so we'll put a little primer on. I'm using up the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is just one that was in my Pan 25. I think I actually added it to my Pan 25 by Christmas. I was going to give you guys a good update on that, but I was like, you know what? We're so close to Christmas. Why? We'll just wait and see what we got come Christmas time. That is not going to work for me. That is not going to work for me. Sorry, I needed my big blending brush. Alright, so I'm just going in with this light shade just to set down where I put some Shadow Insurance. You can see it's picking up stuff on my brush. Or it's picking up black in the palette. Maybe not. Maybe it's just my eyes. Alright, so I think I'm going to do a little bit of a purple look today. So I'm going to start off by using some of this gray. What is going on? I don't know what that was saying. I didn't like it. So we're going to use some of this gray right here. It's a matte shade. Oh Lord, my eyes. Finally, my glasses shipped from that place. So irritated with them. Alright, so we're just going to blend this out into our transition and down into our outer V. Now that I'm sitting here putting this on, I'm like, this may have been the look I did with this last time. So I'm gravitating towards bright colors. Alright, what do we think? Okay. Now I'm going to take this thinner brush, this thinner blending brush, and I'm going to go into this purple matte right there. Yeah. We'll put that kind of a little bit lower than the gray. Same area. It is very pigmented purple. Careful not to blend it out. Or should I say blend it away? Blend it away, don't blend it away. Today we are off work for the President's Memorial. Praying for his family today. I know this is tough, but he was a great president, an absolutely great president. Wouldn't want their job for anything in the world. Yes, I'm back on my diet. Coat kick. Alright, I'm going to go into this purple shimmer right here. It's just going to be purple, purple, purple. See how we do with that. I'm going to wet the brush again. Alrighty, now we're going to go into this lighter purple, almost taupey shade right here, and we'll put that on our inner corner, or our inner V, should I say. We want to wet this as well, and I'm just using I haven't pulled out a Fix Plus. I have like 5 bottles in my stash. I haven't pulled one out in a long time, because I'm trying to get through all of these setting sprays on my desk. On my vanity. It's covered in setting spray. Alright. I kinda like that. I kinda like it. I gotta do some wrapping tonight. The wrapping of the Christmas presents. Let the wrapping begin. Let the wrapping begin. Okay. I have to have a smaller brush than that somewhere. I do. I'm going to put a little bit of this light shimmer pink right here, almost white, and we'll put that on our inner corner. Eyes are a little bit dark. Just a little bit. We're going to go into that purple matte again. And let's just blow some of that out under our eye. Well, we're going to do no foundation, but we are going to put some, I'm just going to, this is the Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC. I'm just going to put some of that all over my face. help get rid of some of the redness. I've worn this a couple times in the past couple weeks to work instead of foundation. Oh, you have no idea. It's so inviting. I'll just put some bronzer on. This is my Smashbox, like little bronzing blush set. I forget the name of it. I'm gonna go all the way over here into this very cool shade of bronzer, which really doesn't show up on my face, I don't think. Kind of looks dirty. I'm gonna put some of this white under our eyes. What? Where's my Kat Von D brush? I lose my head if it was attached. It's very helpful. Put a little bit of this blush on. And then there is also a highlighter in here we're going to use. It's a nice little kit. You can get it on sale at HSN. I like it a lot. Everybody. I don't know where the pencil is. Ah, there you are. We'll do a little pencil in our brows because I think I'm going to get my eyebrows done today. How is that? Put a little mascara on and be on our way. My phone's blowing up. Sorry, we're closed for business today. Alright, my beauties. I'm going to put a little lipstick on and be done for the day. actually just going to use my Givenchy little lip. Because I have 5,000 lip products in the cart. Alright guys, so this is the look I got using my Opposites Attract palette. This is a great little palette. It's pigmented. It's got some very good color options in it. Like I said, they came out with a second one that's more cool tones. So I would suggest you pick this up as a gift or pick it up for yourself. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Mwah.